895 days till New Holland. Fear and Greed Index is at 33, which is currently making a lower low. The previous low was 34 on a roughly 4 days ago, and now it's at 33, which is the fear. And Bitcoin is currently trading at the 57.3k, still in a consolidation below the 60k, below the downtrend resistance that we are having on a 4-hour time frame and also on a daily time frame. On a daily time frame, it's slightly actually looking more long-termish compared to the 4-hour time frame, but obviously it's 4-hour time frame. It's a shorter time frame compared to the daily. On MACD is currently in a neutral, more to the bullish side on the 4-hour time frame. On a daily time frame, we are seeing some curves to the upside, but very small one, still in a big red face MACD on a daily time frame, which is pretty bad. On a RSI on a daily time frame is currently in a slight oversold zone, which is 42%. On a weekly, slight overbought zone, which is 56%. Not that significant actually. More to the neutralish side obviously. And MACD on a weekly time frame is currently in a green phase, but there's pretty significant curves to the downside, which is to the red phase. Gives us some bearish signs. Currently we are trading below the previous candle close on a current weekly candle, which is pretty bad. On a daily time frame, yeah, we are trading above the previous lows, obviously, which would be 56.9k. So it's pretty nice. On the monthly time frame was obviously everything still looking nice, except of a slight overboughtness on the RSI, which is at 68%, almost 70, which would be overbought zone. So yeah, on a daily time frame also 50 moving average is at 60.6k, yep, which is obviously above the current trading candle, and 50 MA is below our triangle, below our trading candle, I mean, which is pretty far away, kind of at 46k. So yeah, the gap between 50 to 100 MA is pretty big one on a daily time frame, which is pretty nice, obviously. So yeah, that's pretty much all TA for today. BTC dominance is currently at 42.3, slightly going down, but nothing significant. The current support would be 51.5%. So yeah, that's definitely everything for TA for today. And as you can imagine, nothing special is happening on the TA. Still in a consolidation, still in the downtrend. This momentum channel, obviously in a 3-4 days we may see some momentum. Maybe if we're gonna come closer to the downtrend resistance, or maybe if we're gonna have a third test, or maybe the second, because can you even count this test that we had like after like couple candles after a first one. So let's just call it the second test that we may have in a 3-4 days, and obviously hoping for a breakout, which would be pretty nice. So yeah, let's move on to the news. Today we got some positive news. Thank God we don't have a lot of FUD for today. So Australian senator says that we need to acknowledge crypto is not a FUD, and DeFi presents huge opportunities for everything, obviously, for all purposes. Also, Citigroup to hire 100 people for its crypto division, which is obviously more jobs because of crypto. which is more adoption for the crypto, for the Bitcoin, for the whole crypto market cap. Also, after overseeing the largest monetary expansion in the US history, President Biden of the United States, decided to renominate Jerome Powell to lead the Fed, which is technically nothing, no changes, zero changes, so pretty hard to say that's a news, but that's a news. Jerome Powell is still in his place, as you can imagine. So more printing. We're gonna see the more printing. So yeah, it's pretty much all TA news for today. Still in a consolidation, hoping for the 60k breakout, and obviously for new all-time high in the next month or maybe in the next year. But we still got the hopium, still plenty of hopium. So yeah, to the moon.